Hey everyone and welcome back. Getting inaccurate transcripts from Otter.ai. Let me show you how to improve accuracy even on the free plan. First, optimize your audio quality, get close to your microphone and speak clearly, reduce background noise like fans and echo, be careful with noise cancelling mics as they can distort your voice. Second, avoid overlapping speech. When multiple people talk at once, Otter struggles to separate speakers, pause briefly, or let each person finish their sentence. Third, use consistent display names across calendar and conferencing systems. Consistent names help Otter match speakers accurately. Fourth, tag your speakers. If Otter labels someone as speaker 1 or 2, edit their name directly in the transcript. This trains the system and improves future recognition. Fifth, if you have a TAN-EDU email address, you qualify for a student discount on Pro. This unlocks custom vocabulary for technical terms. On the free plan, focus on one speaker at a time and keep meetings under 30 minutes since that is your session cap. And that's it. Clean audio, speaker tagging, and consistent names will dramatically improve your transcription quality. If these tips helped, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.